Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to create website with a page builder. See, we learned how to create website with the themes, how to add plugins, how to create e-commerce websites, but a normal website, but the client is looking for good look. With the themes, you can do it. With the plugins also, you should do it anyway. But you should have a lot of knowledge on the plugins. But instead of that, if you try page builder, that's very easy for you. There are many page builders. Elementor is the better one. And these days, many people are using WP, Bakery, Builder. This is one theme. Divi is a theme. This is also a page builder. Beavier builder, something people use. I never used it. There is a plugin called Page Builder. That the plugin name is Page Builder. That also you can use it. Many are there, but I love Elementor anyway. Let's see how to use this. So directly go to the plugin. Yes, this is the plugin anyway. Elementor is the plugin. This is a plugin. These are all the plugins only. I'm going to plug in, add new, and typing Elementor. See, Elementor page builder. I'm going to install it. See, this is the dashboard. You can see it. Once you install and activate, the different dashboard it will go. The Elementor dashboard will be different. I'm going to show how to create one page with the page builder.
But there are these essential add-ons also.
Elementor
Are these all
have
okay?
lot of add-ons. Same like a WooCommerce, these have a lot of how to put login form, registrations, many things. Done. Plugin installed. Now, once it is installed, go to page, add new page I'm creating. I'm writing test. I'm creating this page. Remember, if you want to creating a Elementor, what is the difference between an Elementor and a normal website? You open ODMT website, you go to home page, or you go to student zone, you go to exam, any page you go, the same theme will come. But if you create your website with the Elementor, each page have its own theme. You don't need to go for a subdomain also. Each page have its own theme. So when you're making it as a separate thing, you don't need any sidebars. You can see my home page I designed in such a way that there are no sidebars, because homepage it looked better actually. Now with Elementor, every page is like a home page only, you do it. That's why we don't use any sidebars. If you go to my another page, there is a sidebar. It doesn't look good. So with the Elementor, on a home page, you can create a plumber website, another page painter website, in such way different things you can do it. That's why don't use any sidebars. For that reason, once you create a page, come back here, scroll down. There is a page attributes. By default template is sidebar will be there, but I don't want. I want Elementor full width. If you use sidebar, for another, assume that plumbers used some sidebar. Again, for the painters, electrician, the same sidebar doesn't work. That's why I did it. Now there is no sidebar. Next,
Why the sidebar doesn't work for two pages?
you see here, sidebar will be same for all the pages, right? See, the same
Yeah,
sidebar is there.
sure.
But I'm writing a new content which is for the painters. For the painters, this sidebar is not suitable. I don't want this to be. That's
Okay.
why I'm going for the full width.
Okay, all right. But you can use an option of using a sidebar also.
You can, but it doesn't look good. The designing, what are you doing here? It doesn't look good actually.
Okay.
Normally, if you want to write content, you can write, but this is an Elementor. You have to click on Edit with Elementor. Now this dashboard will go, a new dashboard will come. Just see this. Right. There are some UI, UX designers, generally big websites. They meet them, they only design the website. How they design the website is, first of all, they divide the complete page into different columns. How many columns I want, how many rows you want, where I want to show the Facebook plugins, Facebook options, where I have to put a contact form. This is how they divide it. But WordPress is not like that. Already designed by someone else, you just drag and drop. But with Elementor, you can do that. So once you come here, click on plus symbol. Now you can decide. Select your structure, whether you want a single column, double column, triple column, or else like this, you can do it. Assume that I'm doing with a two column. Now see two columns you have. Now what do you want to add in these two columns? Once you're done this, click on this box. Now these are all the things you can add. Same like a widgets, they have this many options, many plugins inbuilt available over here. You can add a heading, image, text editor, video, a button, spacer, Google Maps, image box, icon box, star rating, image carousel, basic gallery, icon list, counter, progress bar,
We
testimonial
couldn't
tab.
use this kind of plugins for the WooCommerce website plugin?
Which plugin? Elementor?
No, I'm saying we couldn't use this plugin in e-commerce website.
You can use, no problem. You can use. You can use it, no problem.
All right.
Now I'm using an image here. Select image, drag and drop here. Now here I want to add some video. Now you want to add image, right? So what image you want, you can choose from your desktop or now assume that I want to use this. Now in the video also you can get it from the YouTube. What are the video you want? How to create Twitter ads. Just click on edit. Then the YouTube link you give it. That ad will come out there. Now image video. And see, try to go deeper into that. So let's see image alignment, how you want this image, whether you want left side, middle, what is the caption. Even if you want, you can give a link. If you go for style, you can do many setting. What should be the width, max width, opacity, border type, border type. Okay, then the width, top, right, color what. So these all things you try it. Border radius one, box shadow one, and some advanced settings
If
also.
I'm in
You
the
can
same row, if I want to add one more photo,
you could have
image.
take three columns. Could have take
Okay,
three
okay.
columns.
Okay, okay, get it.
Okay. Now done. This is done. Now you're designing a page. This is called page builder. So now I did something in this page. I got one image and video. But before you do it, you can draw on your paper what you want. Then do it. Now next, assume that you want a single line where you want some heading. Select the heading and push it over here. You're writing a heading like Learn digital marketing online. Now, if you want, you can align it properly. What kind of heading you want, what kind of color you want. Even color also can change. Text color, different colors you can change.
Okay. What was that? It had a link also, something?
You can link. Someone click, it will go to the different link. But link is not important anyway. If it is a heading. But if you want, you can give it anyway. Someone click, it will go to the particular link.
Or to the page?
Any
Linking
other
to the
page.
page.
Any other page.
Okay. All right.
Right. Next plus.
So this is like for every column, we have to choose the style, and for every row.
Yeah. How many columns you want? Now you want a button. Now select it, put a button. Now you should write what you want. Here, click here is there.
If I want to add text next to that button.
So it's enroll now. You could
No, no,
have
no,
take
no. Next to that.
you could have take two columns at the time. See here, I'm removing it. You're asking something to write. Now select two
Yeah.
columns. Okay. One,
Okay. Okay.
one column, it should be a text editor.
Okay.
Okay, I'm clicking on this. And another column, I want a button. Right now, write something. You're writing about digital marketing. Now here, enroll button. Got it? Now someone click where it has to go. The link also giving. That's it. In such a
So we
way,
can use page builder on every page.
every page. So every page look like a new website. So you were complaining that I don't want same theme for every page. So you can have a new look for every page.
Okay.
Got it? Now
Yeah.
I want to put something else.
But for example, if I'm not choosing a subdomain and I want to change the theme of a blog, yeah, independent of a website, okay, on my same domain, yeah, with the
Do-
use of a page builder, can
See,
I create a blog?
blog means each post you can change. Complete blog you can't change
Okay,
it.
okay, okay.
Basic gallery. Now putting a basic gallery. Now he's asking what are the images. You can add the images.
And if I want to have a little bit of effects of it, like rotating the images, etc.
Third option is also available. You can choose a different option here. So here, image carousel. It will keep on moving it.
Okay, it's like a reel.
Yeah. Counter numbers, which is there in my website. Testimonials, a cards, and everything is there. You can try them. So you try it anyway. If you have any questions, I'll let you know. I clicked on
Okay.
update. Done. I created a page. See how easy it is. Is it easy or not? You struggled with the one page express theme, right? But
Yeah.
here you don't have to trouble. It's very easy. Now, once it is done, you have to go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on this, exit to dashboard. Now you came back to the WordPress dashboard. Now click on update. Now the page has been built. Open the page. See your page, how it's looking like. p.techcourses.com/test. This is our page now. But if you already prepared properly what you want to do it look good actually. Think about what you want to do it. It's very easy. Any website, see the sample and you can create it. I'll show some website like one of my students have created a website. The same.
Only using Elementor?
See this. Can you see this? Here one image and text and some elements like this. Here you asked me, right? Text and this. Even background image, background color also you can change. So it look good actually.
So
Zero.
this full page, it's a single page done with Elementor.
Elementor, yes.
How did the contact form come on Elementor?
See, you can put contact form also. Whatever you want, you can put it.
On the same. Okay, okay, okay,
Contact
okay.
form also can put it.
Like for example, select a row, add a row, and then you can insert the short code.
Correct. That's it.
Okay. But okay, but it has a background there. If you look at that form, the form has a background. How does that background show? You see that background, there's a background color of the page, then there's a background color of the form.
That's what in a styles every option is there. Even the background color also can change if you want.
Okay, all right, then I will check it out.
Okay, you check it out. Any problem comes, I'll tell you. This is one version of doing. I'll show another version of doing. This whatever we did, this required some kind of creativity. What to do it? Some other easy version also available. Now I'm going for the new page. Add new. Uh, Test new. I'm saying. Remember what you have to do now. What is the important thing if you're creating with Elementor?
The page attributes.
So page should be a full width. Publish it. Then go with the edit with Elementor.
For a normal page, for example, if I want to do two different pages, I can do sidebar on one and full width on one on normal pages.
Can do it.
Mm, okay.
Now we choose this option, right? There is no other option called this. With this, Elementor have beautiful templates. Predefined templates are there. You can use them. So few of
How?
them are free, but remaining are pro version. If you pay money, a beautiful versions are there. Now by default it is there. I'm selecting this. If you select this within 10 seconds, your website is ready. Just see this how it look like.
So you have to go to the library.
Yes, it's done now. Now see your website is done already. Everything ready made. Do you want to change them? Just change them. What do you want to change?
Edit.
Now just edit it. What do you want
Okay,
to
all
change?
right. So this is like theme, but Elementor has themes also.
Correct. And
How
you
do you get to their library? Can you please show it again?
yeah, I'll show it again. And anytime if you want, you can move these things. Assume that you want this to be on top. Put your cursor, move it up. See, you have an option, you can move it up and down. If you want, you can delete. I don't want this, you can delete it. Even this price also can change. See, edit option is there. Edit and change it. Everything can change it.
All right.
Update. How to go to your WordPress dashboard?
Uh, yeah, edit on
Click
top.
on this.
Yeah,
Exit to
yeah,
dashboard. So you said right how to go to that library. Instead of clicking on this, click
yeah.
on this. Click on this. This is the library.
Okay, all right.
Right. Now I will show you how the look is. The website look is. The page look. See the page. Now this is the website. So automatically give services. You can change all of them.
So basically, the n number of columns and rows, if I add, the length of the page increases. And
Automatic.
I can, if I don't want to add anything, it will remain as short as possible.
Correct.
All right.
Okay. And assume that you missed something in this by default library. You need to have some contact form, some testimonials you wanted. So go
Hmm.
to edit with the Elementor. You can add normal columns. You can add anyway. Anytime you can add normal columns. So scroll down. You You can click
Mm-hmm.
on this, you can use any column. But one more option is
Okay.
there. Go to library only. Instead of selecting these templates, go for blocks. Some small blocks also you can add, like only FAQs if you want to add, you can add them. You got what I'm saying?
All right. Yeah.
Individual blocks also available, you can add them. So your page become
To
bigger.
the same page.
Same page.
To
To the same page, you can add these blocks also.
even on an existing theme, if I've taken a theme, to the same
Yeah,
theme I can add a
yeah,
block.
yeah. You can add the blocks. See, I'm adding this block now. Inserts. That will be added.
All right. Can we add one? Let's see.
N number is here added now. Automatically it's going. And if you want, you can add one more thing. Click on this. Go here. I want to add FAQs. Insert it. See, it's added.
What about that? There's a third one also, third option. One is page, one is block, and one is templates. What's templates?
So my templates. Haven't saved. If you save any template, that's called a template. This is where your template should be. Design it, save it, and reuse. Now we generally do with this, right? We construct, right? There maybe you have an option of saving. I never tried it. You try it. Means
Mm-hmm.
you already created your template. Now assume that this is my template. You want to use here. You can use that. That's
How?
your own template. I never did it.
How to save it?
I never know that. If you want, let me try that. Lubna, why you ask all crazy questions?
I think this could be a question that other students also have when it comes to their mind, and perhaps it supports us um, to remove all the questions that we have in terms of designing of a website for any plugin.
Okay. Okay, do one thing anyway. I'm giving it as assignment for you. You research and let me know how to save the template. Okay. In the next video, we can discuss with the students. Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much. Now just here, updates and now the pages. We added few more things. Yeah. Add-ons also came. The counter and this. Is it good or not?
Um,
This kind of designing.
it's nice to see that we can add multiple things. Um, and I wouldn't say that it's beautiful because this is not something that's appealing to me. But yeah, as a fact that you can be more creative, you can add things. I didn't see the one for social media handles. Do they have that too?
Yeah, that's available. Left hand side,
And
when you drag it, the social media also available. You can add all channels.
oh,
You just
okay,
go
okay, all
there.
right.
Now,
Okay, fine.
this is the basic one. Now, sometimes you want pop-ups or else you want a registration form. Many things are there. So go to their Elementor. They have the channel Elementor Page Builder for WordPress. They have 289 videos. They show you everything, how to add more add-ons. See,
What are these
so
add-ons for?
see different add-ons. I told you right. Apart from basic one, sometimes you want some registration thing, okay, a pop-up thing. Okay,
Wouldn't this be there in those blocks?
if it's not available, you can use them. See how to use motion effects, viewport settings in. How to add scrolling effects in your website. Scrolling effects.
I don't know what scrolling effects
When you
means.
scroll, some effects will come, right? Hi, y'all. See here. From Elementor here. Today we'll learn how can you listen? Movement effects using Elementor's motion effect. Can you listen to the video?
Yeah.
Now just see this.
We'll make elements on the page swing,
Yes.
slide, float, and ride. Let's do it. I already created a design with Sam, our model here, doing some sports activities. Let's make him swing. Click on the image, and in the Advanced tab, Motion Effects, Scrolling Effects, flip the switch to On, and click on Rotate. In the Direction dropdown, set it to right, so the swing will swing inwards. To get a smooth, realistic animation, set the speed slider to 1. We'll leave the viewport bottom and top on its default values. If you want the animation to happen on 100% of the screen, bottom to top. In the Y anchor point, let's choose top. And there we go. Our Sam is swinging. Next, let's make Sam a skater. Click the image. In Advanced, Motion Effects, edit the horizontal scroll. Under Direction, set it to right. And in Speed, set it to 10. Now check it out. Can you skate like Sam? Next, let's be more zen and make Sam float. Click the image, and again, in Advanced, Motion Effects, this time choose Vertical Scroll. In the Direction dropdown, choose Down. And that's it. Sam floats all the way to our next and final section. Here, we'll make Sam ride his bike towards us. Click the image. In Advanced, Motion Effects, choose Vertical Scroll. In the viewport, set the animation between 0 and 40%. Now click the Scale and set the speed to 6. In the viewport, set the bottom to 20% and the top to 80%. That's it! We made our friend Sam move all over the place. And by using exciting motion effects, our site is dynamic and full of cool interactions. Don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and exciting tutorials.
You got it?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So in such a way, many are there. So there are many videos. Watch them. If it is useful, you can use in a website. See, I'll tell you when you have to use Elementor, when you should not use Elementor.
Okay.
For my website, ODMT, I haven't used Elementor because whenever you use Elementor, a lot of graphic is involved. Google don't like that. Google like text only. See my website, I used most text because SEO will be very good. Google like this. As of now, my SEO rankings are very good for this website. Okay. And I created one website. This is a wedding photography website. Obviously, it has to be with more images and videos. I did with Elementor. See what are the theme you've seen. See here, what video I mentioned. And if I click, it will go to the contact form. Now I'm showcasing the things he did it and what services are. Some content for SEO, then all his works.
This is also content Elementor.
Elementor. Yes, I did with Elementor. So, because photography website can't be like a text, it has to be like this only. I did it. But the problem
So,
is SEO is not
yeah.
performing for this because it will take a lot of time to come on top. That's why what are we doing is we're running Google Ads. See, you have very good budget, you're running Google Ads, then send customer to the more graphical content than the text content. See, I have two versions. When I'm running a Google Ads, I never bring people to this page. I created another page with the page builder. For that page, I bring where I created with a beautiful animation. But free of cost, I'm not running any campaigns, free of cost, any traffic, you need this page. So it depends on situations, you have to do it. That's why I told you, if you're looking for SEO, don't dig too much into designing. If you go too much into animation and this kind of designing, SEO will not. But your company have a lot of budget, they don't mind on the budget. You can create beautiful videos, just now what you did. But SEO, it will not perform. Okay?
Okay, this is good for Google Ads. You can use Google
This is
Ads.
good for Google Ads because think about the customer. Okay, I'll show one video. talking about Hyderabad point of view. In Hyderabad, these are the digital marketing training institutes actually. So this is the first one, webtrainings.in. This is the Digital Nest, and this is DSIM. Okay, I'll show 3 websites. Just see this website, and you tell me your feedback. How this website and all the websites. You tell me how is this website?
It has more content.
So very simple. So when you landed on this website, will you join the course? I'm asking you. You are a working professional. You're not a student. Will you join this course? You decide.
Mm, I will evaluate it based on a lot of things, not just looking at the design of the website.
Okay. What things you evaluate? Tell me. The course fees and all these things.
Yeah, it depends on the
Forget about the course fees.
duration of
Forget about the course
the
fees and all these
duration,
things.
the content of the course, syllabus, duration of the course,
Of course, that's
the
true anyway.
trainers.
But think about the first impression. You landed on this page, and you landed on this page. See this website. And what about your feeling when you see this website and that website? What is your
It's
impression?
too much hodgepodge.
And what about this?
I mean, yeah, I think for me it's like there's a lot to read, a lot,
Now tell me about this
and
website. Tell me about this website.
very easy to the eye. Yeah, I see like this is more appealing. This website is more appealing.
Okay. So first of all, I should not have take your review because you are a typical girl. I should ask us common people anyway. So I'll tell you about the common people. I'll tell you about the common people. This website, a student comes, there is a positive he'll join, but any working professional entrepreneur comes to this website, you think about it, it's not appealing anyway. It's not appealing. But whereas this website, it's somewhat better. You can see here, it's much better anyway. Graphically, they represented. So working professional, there is a possibility they can say yes. Entrepreneurs, 50%. But if they come to this website, they say, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. There is a possibility they can enroll for the course. Appealing. But when it comes to reality, this website always come on top on SEO. When people searching, this website always come on top.
Can we try on Google?
It's coming already. Digital marketing.
Institutes in Hyderabad.
Oh, make a mistake.
Let's come down. It's not coming.
No, web training's in a third place, but you try different keywords. There are different keywords you try. Majority of the keywords he is satisfying actually. Let me try training, digital marketing training. Second place, and let me type institutes. Okay, made a mistake. Second place, let me type SEO training in Hyderabad.
Why ODMT is not coming?
ODMT, mine is for online, not for classroom training. Can you see this? So most of the keywords is in the top 3 because Google love the content. This guy have more content. Apart from that, many techniques he applying. I'm not saying only because of this. Now, digitalness, 6 to 7 years back, this was in a top position because this guy was doing the same theme and same. But now what he understood is people are coming but they're not turning up. Most of the working professionals they're not joining. That's the reason he changed the theme and everything. Because he used more graphics, now SEO rankings have gone. He's in eighth and ninth position. When come to DSIM, the look is very good, but you never find him top 10. You never found him anyway. And they don't care. They don't want SEO results. They spend a lot of amount on Google ads and other marketing techniques. So it depends on the company to company. Some company have a lot of money. So they create a great website with Elementor. And
Can you please just slide on top? Can you just come down on this website? Yeah, just a little bit down, 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 down. Yeah, up,
what?
yeah, up, up. Yeah, you see all these things, the overlapping of things can be created on page builder.
What overlapping things?
Like if, for example, I choose two rows, but I want to overlap them on each other. Is that possible or not possible? Overlapping.
Overlapping these images on this?
Yeah.
Why you want that? They didn't do right.
No, I'm asking, is it possible?
I don't know. Show me one website how they're doing so that I'll tell you whether it is possible or not. See, with Elementor add-ons you can do. Understand what I'm trying to say. I'm telling you that it depends on the website and your requirement. If
All
your
right, all
website
right.
requirement to come on top, don't go for all these things overlap and all these things. We're not doing multimedia. It's a website. Okay.
Okay.
If you want SEO results, go for this kind of thing. Okay.
Then maybe why I think then ODMT should also change some of its website designing so that students can look at it, find it appealing, have more leads coming in, contacting more. Yeah.
Yes, we did. We are getting anyway. Anyway, you're learning, right? I will be appointing
Mhm.
you. Whatever changes you want, I can do it.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. And you just see here, my conclusion is this guy getting a lot of traffic because of his content. It doesn't mean that he can't change the theme. He can make a website like DSIM also, but he's not doing because he will lose SEO rankings. Now, Digitalist is playing a safe zone, like both the combining content and some kind of look also. That's why the rankings are in the top 10. Whereas DSIM, they don't want anything because they have a lot of money, they're investing a lot of on Google ads. They don't want
Can
it.
you go to Digital Nest?
It's a Digitalist, yes.
Come down. I just saw those three boxes were there. Which website has those three boxes? I don't know. Maybe they were.
What boxes?
Um,
What is there in the boxes?
I wanted to ask, is that possible to be done on Elementor?
Which one? This one?
No, 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 no. I understood. This is possible. There was this a picture and
I'm showing here.
content.
Tell me here whether it is or what.
Yeah, see now you see that and on top. As you go down, that and is overlapping the green box. Oh, up, up, up. No, I mean down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come down. Yeah, can you go up, please?
Yeah.
Up, up. Yeah, this and you see it's overlapping here.
Why you want that and overlapping?
I'm saying it's a part of design, isn't it? So that's why my question was, can you have that overlapping there?
You just Google how to overlap and symbol. You'll be getting. You try it anyway. Okay. You can do it. Look now. It's not like you can't do it anyway. Even if you see a right click, inspect element, you can see the code actually. By seeing the code also, you can tweak it. You can apply on your website also. It's not good thing, but don't dig more into designing.
Design. Okay,
It's
yeah,
not
sure.
good actually, because we are marketers. We should spend our time and energy on the marketing anyway.
Content and marketing, yeah.
Create average website and keep doing it anyway. So students will not look for the fancy one. Just now we did with Elementor. Like these guys, she's saying that one guy should float over there. No, But anyway, you do one thing anyway. Create one like this or one like this. For a Google Ads, create one appealing, whatever you want. Yes, that you can do with Elementor. Please try to add more add-ons so that you can do like this. Now, if this guy can move from one place to another place, you can easily overlap that and symbol anyway. But I never dig more into that one. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a page builder. There are many page builders anyway. This is the easy one I found anyway. You can research on the remaining thing. So with
Can I
this,
ask a question, please?
yes.
If you go back to the main page,
Of
come
what?
out of the dashboard, our page,
Mhm.
yeah, come out of the dashboard of Elementor.
Okay.
I mean,
Yes,
the
yes, we came back.
editing, yeah, all right. If you go to WooCommerce plugin,
Hmm.
yeah,
Product.
yeah, we will go to product and we can use page builder element, this
See,
Elementor there also.
I'll tell you. You should not use it in a product. Product should be product only. Where you have to use, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
Because product should be normal only. Product will be there, price will be there. Where you have to use,
yeah.
I'll tell you. So this is my students done this website. Product will be inner, but they want to create a front page. So they created the front page in the Elementor. One slider. These are all some categories. This they
Okay,
definitely
but not in the shopping page.
you should not do. It doesn't look good, right? What
But
you
is
will
it possible or not possible?
it possible, but what things you will do it? It's possible, but what things you will do it?
But you just said that with products you cannot do. And the products are the one that goes to the by default
I'll
shop
show you. I'll
page,
show you.
isn't
I'll show you. So I'm opening this product. Just see this product. Normally, a product will be like this. Now you tell me what you will do with the product. What element of things you'll add? Generally, people want product and description, everything. They don't need anything else.
No, this is the main page of the product, yeah. But on the home page we can do
You
using
can do.
Elementor.
You can do. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
All right.
Yes. So with this, you learned website designing. You understood what is the difference between a website and blog. People who watching this video, if you don't see all these things, you can watch my videos. In the description, I'll be putting a link also. You can go to that. And how to make a blog with the proper categories also I mentioned. And how to create e-commerce websites with the WooCommerce plugin also we learned. Now today, how to make Elementor page builder also, we did it. So with this, with a normal website designing, if you want to do it, increase the knowledge of the plugins. If you want to make a proper blog, then go for a good theme. E-commerce website, WooCommerce is enough with a nice theme. And you're putting a nice budget on Google Ads, create a beautiful website with Elementor and bring the people to the website. Okay, that's it. And from tomorrow, we'll be going to the SEO part. So once we created a website, someone searching on Google, how to make our websites on top. That is called search engine optimization. So if you're a student looking for online sessions, then comment below, or else if you're looking for a classroom training in Hyderabad, you can join. Or if you are a owner, you're starting any company, looking for a consultation, you can contact me anytime. Come back to your ODMT website. Please fill your form so that I'll get back to you on this. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.